Sawubona. It's a Zulu word meaning that I see you. So at MJC, we have the UMOJA Community Educational Foundation, which is one of 70 colleges in the state of California that has a program that has an African-American diaspora transformative educational experience. And so we striving for their potential for graduation and transfer to UC, CSU, private colleges, and more importantly, there's an admissions guarantee to historically black colleges and universities. So we're proud to say in the years since inception that we've been able to transfer students all across the United States. We welcome all students, regardless of their ethnicity. The program has core principal practices of African andragogy, and so that's how we teach our classes, how we conduct our meetings, and that's how we honor our ancestors that came before us to provide us with this opportunity at Modesto Junior College.
The UMOJA program is a beautiful thing to start with. It's helped me with identity because I moved to the United States in 2017, and when I first got here, I didn't have a lot of people to talk to, people to, just to find somewhere you belong and all that. So when I joined UMOJA, it's like a family. It's like somebody taking you in and showing you how to do things around the campus, and it's just like a family, and it's helped me find a place to call, some people to call family, and a place like home to me.
They guided me, they helped me, gave me all the best options, the best program that will help me achieve my success into my nursing program. And I've been keeping in contact with them constantly, and they've been helping me. They're just like a big uncle to me, big dad to me, and there's nothing I'm doing. I don't consult with them on a daily basis about my success because they are more experienced than me. One of the resources they gave was telling me how to get those EAPS, the scholarship, how to apply for scholarship, how to apply for some schools like the black schools in LA. So it's like they gave you a lot of guidance, that's something you're not aware of. So it's like it opened my eyes to so many stuff, which I really admire so much. So I want to give the big shout to them. Thank you so much, Glenn and Eric, and every member of the collaborative and the UMOJA. God bless you all.
As far as like the UMOJA community as a whole has been very, very helpful with me as far as classes and transferring my ed plan. And I'm really, as far as in family as well, like they are actual family that actually take care of you, that actually care about you, actually take time with you to help you get your classes and help you get the grades that you need to get up out of here and transfer. It's like a home to me. This is like my domain to chill and unwind.
My experience at MJC with the staff faculty is pretty great. I came here in October. I didn't really have that much experience or help, but once I joined the UMOJA program and did VSU, it really helped me get on a board and on track of what I want to do for school. The staff here really are very caring. They seem like parents to you sometimes, to take you under your wing, and some are great mentors. And the experience here has just felt very full and great.
I really feel embraced when I came to MJC. The UMOJA community really helped. I recommend anyone to come to MJC, especially if you're an African-American individual who would like to be embraced.
I'm glad I went to this HBCU event here at American River College because it brings about new opportunities for me in order to succeed and continue my education in human services or something broader.
I'm glad that I came because I got so much information that I needed. It took a big weight off my shoulders. I realized that I can get accepted into schools that I didn't think I was able to get accepted into.
Some of the conferences are really great that we're able to take our students to. We typically go to the A2Men conference, 800 to 900 people in one conference room, so the energy is amazing. Young men and women, people of color, just suits and just dressed formally, and a ton of master's degrees and PhDs, and it really ignites the fires of students that see that they can actually do what they are observing. So it's been a great experience for A2Men. And then we take them to the UMOJA Student Leadership Conference. And that's for students that are really aiming to be leaders in the community. We have a great time. The students don't have to pay for anything, and they get amazing opportunities to learn about new things.
So come join us and enjoy the experience of the UMOJA program at Modesto Junior College.